Look at the parrot, hear it sing. It's talking and squawking in the spring. It flaps its wings with a flap and a squawk, and it sings its song with a happy talk. The parrot's feathers are so bright, red, blue, and yellow in the light. Green, orange, and purple too, what a rainbow, all so new. A parrot's colors are full of cheer, bringing smiles when it's near. Every shade, every hue, colors so bright and oh so true. The parrot's feathers are so bright, red, blue, and yellow in the light. Green, orange, and purple too, what a rainbow, all so new. The parrot's colors fly in the air,